Hello friends, welcome back to English class. I hope you are taking good care of your health. Children, today we are going to read and understand a very interesting story. And the name of the story is Rip Van Winkle. Rip is the main character of this story. He was very kind, friendly, helpful, but a lazy person. Lazy, a person who doesn't want to do any work. So Rip also didn't want to do any work. And once he went to the hill and fell asleep. And after 20 years he woke up. Do you believe? No? So let's read and understand the story with me. Many years ago, at the foothills of the Catskill Mountain was a little village. The name of the mountain was Catskill, and at the foothills, means the down of the mountain, there was a village. And in that village, a fellow, a person whose name was Rip Van Winkle lived. Rip was very kind neighbor. He was always ready to help others. Everyone in the village liked him, especially the children of the village loved him a lot. And why? Because he used to play with them, he taught them how to fly kites, how to shoot marbles, he told them good stories, so that's why all the children loved him. The only problem with Rip was that he was very lazy. He didn't do any work on his own farms. He had his farm, he had his cows, but he didn't take care of them. So farm was in a bad condition. His cows moved here and there. Rip had a partner who always lived with him. And you know who was that partner? The partner was a dog. And the name of the dog was Wolf. Children, don't get confused. Here, Wolf is the proper noun. The name of the dog was Wolf, who always followed Rip wherever he go. One day, Rip just walked on and reached the highest part of the mountain. One day, Rip kept on walking. Just to avoid some work, he kept on walking and reached at the highest part of the mountain. And it was afternoon. He was tired also, so he lay down under a tree and started daydreaming. Daydreaming means he was having his own future plans, own dreams. And it was evening. Then he thought it would be night by the time when he reached his village. So as he started coming down, he heard a voice of a person. Someone was calling out his name. Rip Van Winkle, Rip Van Winkle. Rip looked around at who was calling him. Then he noticed an short old man who was having thick hair and the grizzled beard, hair on the chin. That old man was calling him, and the old man was coming towards Rip. Old man was carrying a barrel. Barrel means a wooden container, and in the barrel there was some liquid. So old man wanted Rip to help him. He wanted Rip to carry that barrel because barrel was very heavy. As Rip was a helpful person, he got ready to help him and he went with old man with that barrel. So they together reached a place where Rip saw some other old man, and they all were looking odd, and they were playing a game of 9 pins. As you can see here in the picture, the game was 9 pins. And you know why odd word was used for the old men? Because they all were dressed in the same way. They all were wearing same kind of dress. They all had the beards of different shapes and colors. And why? What was unusual about those old men? Though they were playing a game, and in the game they were very serious. They were silent. Do you become serious while playing a game? No. So they all were very serious. They were not talking to each other. There was no other voice, only the noise of ball. As Rip and his companion dog reached there, the old man stopped playing and started looking at Rip. stared at Rip. Rip got frightened, Rip got afraid. Then the old man put the liquid from barrel into the glasses and gave Rip to drink it. First Rip didn't want to drink, but though he was tired, he was thirsty, and he was frightened also, so he drank. He not only drank one glass, he drank some more glasses, and after drinking that content, he fell into a deep sleep. And when he woke up, he found himself at the place where he met the old man. Then it was a bright sunny morning. He thought the whole night he was here, and he looked around for his dog, but the dog was not there. He called out his name, Wolf, Wolf, but no dog was there. He thought that where has my dog gone? Where is Wolf? There was no sign of dog. He started coming down the mountain to go back to his home, to go back to his village. As he reached his village, he met some other people, but he didn't know any of them. Even the people also didn't recognize Whip, and they all started talking to each other. One of the men said, "Oh, who is this man?" Somebody said, "I have never seen this man here before." Then some other person said, "Look at his white beard and the wrinkled face." Who was having white beard and wrinkled face? Rip Van Winkle. Rip was having one white beard and the face had wrinkles, loose skin. On hearing this, Rip stroked his chin. Stroked means put fingers on his chin, and he got surprised that he had grown 1 foot long beard and white color beard. So now it means he has become old. And that time an old woman came to him and looked at his face, tried to recognize, and then after a moment she said, "Yes, it is Rip Van Winkle. I know him. He was my old neighbor." Then he said to Rip, "Welcome home, Rip. Where have you been these 20 long years?" Means he asked, the lady asked Rip, "Where were you for 20 years?" It means Rip came back after 20 years. Rip got up from the sleep after 20 years. Yes, he was sleeping for 20 years. He was so lazy. So I hope you have understood and enjoyed the story. Read it once again. Okay? Take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.